Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to make a purchase but didn't have the cash on hand? Or maybe you wanted to spread out the cost of a big purchase over time. If so, Grabpay Paylater is the perfect solution for you. Grabpay Paylater is a buy now, pay later (BNPL) service that allows you to make purchases using a virtual credit card. You can then repay the amount over time in interest-free installments. This makes it a great way to manage your finances and make big purchases more affordable. Where can I use Grabpay Paylater? Grabpay Paylater can be used at a variety of merchants, both online and offline. Here are some of the most popular places where you can use Grabpay Paylater. Online retailers. Grabpay Paylater is accepted at many popular online retailers, such as Lazada, Shopee, and Zalora. You can also use it to make purchases on e-commerce platforms like Shopee Pay and Lazada Wallet. Offline merchants. Grabpay Paylater is also accepted at a growing number of offline merchants, such as restaurants, cafes, and convenience stores. You can use it to pay for your meals, groceries, and other everyday expenses. Grab services. Grabpay Paylater can also be used to pay for Grab rides, Grab food deliveries, and GrabPay transactions. This makes it a convenient way to pay for all your Grab needs. How to use Grabpay Paylater? Using Grabpay Paylater is easy. Simply add it to your Grab app and link it to your bank account. Then, when you're ready to make a purchase, select Grabpay Paylater as your payment method. You will then be asked to enter your PIN and confirm the transaction. Benefits of using Grabpay Paylater. There are many benefits to using Grabpay Paylater, including interest-free installments. You can repay your purchases over time in interest-free installments. This makes it a great way to manage your finances and avoid paying interest. No credit check required. You don't need to have good credit to use Grabpay Paylater. This makes it a great option for people who may not be eligible for traditional credit cards. Convenient and easy to use. Grabpay Paylater is easy to set up and use. You can simply add it to your Grab app and link it to your bank account. Wide range of merchants. Grabpay Paylater is accepted at a wide range of merchants, both online and offline. This makes it a versatile payment option that you can use for all your needs. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using Grabpay Paylater. Only use Grabpay Paylater for purchases that you can afford to repay. Make sure to repay your installments on time to avoid late fees. Use Grabpay Paylater responsibly and only for purchases that you need. Grabpay Paylater is a great way to make purchases more affordable and manage your finances. It is a convenient and easy-to-use payment option that can be used at a wide range of merchants. If you're looking for a flexible and interest-free way to pay for your purchases, Grabpay Paylater is a great option for you. With that said, thank you for watching.